Hi, hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to make carrot lip balm. If you are new here, there is already a video of making organic lip balm with beetroot. The link is in the description box. Please take a look. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of carrot oil into it. Carrot oil nourishes your lips, and if you are not sure about how to make carrot oil, there is a video of making carrot oil and the link is down in the description box. Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil along with the carrot oil. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. If possible, go for organic honey. Mix well so that the honey and the oil blends together. Since they are of different density, make sure that they are completely mixed. Now take an empty lip balm container and pour the mixture into it. Make sure that you hold the tube upright. Honey moisturizes your lips, while almond oil, which is a rich source of vitamin E, helps to treat pigmentation, as well as it makes your chapped lips soft and supple. We don't add any preservatives, colors, flavors and any kind of chemicals into this lip balm. And this is made with simple ingredients which will be almost available in every household. After filling it, cap and freeze for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our lip balm is all set and it's ready to be used. This needs to be stored in a refrigerator if you are living in a warmer country. Hope you guys liked the video. If so, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel.